Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, again I want to say thank you to you all for liking my video. God bless you. In this video I will show you how you can renew your PC or license online. So my advice, try to do online if you want to renew your license. Sometime TFL send you paper application, but my advice do online because it could be quicker. So I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. So first you should have your login details for the TFL account. If you don't have, then email TFL please. They will help you. To getting the account, I won't be able to help you because this is connect with the TFL. They can help you how you can create your account. So first login. So when you log in into your account, it should look like this. To renew your application, now you need to go to services. Then you need to go to your manage driver license over here. Then you will reach on that page. So you can see these three dots. If you have this three dot, you are good to go. If you don't have this, you cannot do then renew your application. This could be different reasons, but please only email TFL to ask. They are the best people to ask. Again, I won't be able to help you in this case as well because a lot of people are sending me the messages. We don't have this button. I don't know. Only the TFL people can tell you the answer. It could be, I said, different reason. Maybe your visa is expiring or other reasons. Yeah, please ask TFL. So you click on these three dots, then apply for the renewal. Just click over here, and now they are telling you the documents, which document you need. But the best thing is now, if you don't have the document, you can get it later on. You can save the application and come back later on. But let me tell you, so if you are under 45, you no need medical. If you're above 45, you need medical. And the DBS, if you register on the update service, this is fine. You can upload your old DBS certificate, is fine. And you need HMRC code. These are the main document you need. You need picture, your passport, driving license, and that's it. Then just get started. So it's telling you here color of passport, photograph, DVLA check code. So click save and next. And now we have to upload the photo. So you can save in your laptop or computer and just browse from there. And then you have to put your details. The next step, you have to give the details about your driving license and when did you pass. This is the date when you pass. You can find on the back of your driving license. So this one is completed. When you put your share code, so copy paste whatever you see on the Google, when you get it, copy paste there and just remove the gap between the code, between the numbers or letters, then just it should be okay. Here you need to put your driving license. Yeah, so when you upload the file, you can see two files. So upload the front one and the back one. Now here you need to put your visa. If you have a share code, put the share code. If you have a UK license, passport, then it's going to be okay. So this question is very, very important. If you leave a 3 month, continuous 3 month or more than 3 months in the past 10 years, you must provide police check. Like I make another video about this question. If you want to watch, just send me the WhatsApp. I will send it to you, that link. So in my case is no. So here they're asking for the DBS check. So if you register on the update service, you can upload that document. So you're asking for, so how you applied for enhanced DBS certificate for this application. So through TFL authorized DBS service provider, yes. So asking for the DBS reference number. Confirm your subscription as well. So subscribe the part of the DBS check for this application. Already subscribed, So if you already subscribe, put this one. If you done this just now, just put this one. So here, when you try to put the DBS reference number, so there's a 2 zeros in the certificate. Just put 1 0, then put other number. Otherwise, if you put the 2 zeros, you won't be able to complete it, the full number. Just put 1 0. The next, you have to upload the certificate. The next page is asking for, have you been disqualified for driving? Yeah, this is your personal details. Just put whatever you have. This question, caution, warning, this question as well. Yeah, they ask for, have you applied for the license? Yeah, because you are renewing it, you had your license. Just click yes. If you click no, because when I did my application I clicked no, it doesn't matter really, but click yes, then you put the details of your previous application. That's it. Next question, just read it, save and next. Yeah, safety and equality, just confirm that. Yeah, so it's medical. If you are under 45, will not require the medical. If you above 45, then you need medical. Here, HMRC check code, you need it. The next one, they just wanna preview, check your details and press agree. The next, you have to pay the fees. This is £310. You have to pay it, both fees. So when you click pay now, just put the card details. So when you make the payment, is done, so you can then track your application if you want. So when you click track, so here they just say application received, and here more action, view details, upload additional document, request log. Yeah, so now you have to wait. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please WhatsApp me. I will try my best to help you. God bless you.